Alright guys, SGV News First out here at Senior Aerospace, SSP.
Can I help you with something? Can I help you, sir?
You like to be on camera, sir?
My question is, can I help you? Do you want to talk with somebody in the company, or?
You guys have a front door, right?
Yes, we have a front door.
The building has like a doorbell or something for people to knock if they have a question.
Do you have a question?
Oh, but I didn't go knock on the door.
Okay. Just wondering if you have a question. Just saw you taking some pictures. I didn't know if you wanted to talk to somebody here.
It seems like you want to talk to somebody. How you been?
Just wondering if you want to talk to somebody. So,
No, you want to talk to somebody?
if you didn't want to, that's fine. Thank you.
Feeling lonely? Need somebody to talk to, buddy?
Sir,
Who are you, man?
I'm a security here.
Where? On the street?
I'm here. It's Aerospace.
And what?
You're causing disturbance here.
What disturbance?
I've got a call.
What disturbance have I caused to the facility?
It just they're getting
That's not a disturbance because somebody's being a crybaby calling, making a phone call is not a disturbance. A disturbance is when you do something to cause an interruption. That's a disturbance.
Okay, but
Was there a disturbance, yes or no?
you're recording the facility.
Was there a disturbance, yes or no? Because you got to correct yourself. You should correct yourself. You said I'm causing a disturbance. Was there a disturbance I caused?
Not to me, sir, but to the facility, yes.
I don't think so, man. Go away. Go away.
And
Go away, man. I don't need to talk to you.
okay, because you can't be recording without anyone's consent either.
Says who?
The law, sir.
Says the First Amendment I can. Since the Constitution of the United States of America says I can. Says I can. Says the freedom of press I can.
Okay.
Anything I can see in public I can film, says the First Amendment.
Okay.
So go away, man. Go away. I don't need your permission. You approach me. I'm a photographer taking pictures. You approach me.
Okay.
So I have every right to film whatever you have to say. Go away.
No, you don't get my permission, by the way.
No, I don't need your permission. I just explained that to you.
Okay.
The First Amendment, the freedom of the press protects me to film in public. And I don't need your permission, so go away. You want to approach somebody, don't approach somebody expecting to get respect, man. You don't have a reason to approach me.
No, sir, I'm not asking for respect. I'm asking
Yeah, well, you get no respect, man. Go away. Go away.
Okay, sir.
I have no reason to have an interaction with you, man. Go away. You're not the police, man. I don't need to talk to you. I don't answer to you.
I've never said I was the
I don't have to answer any questions, man. You're asking me questions. I don't have to answer any
You
questions.
don't have to answer. I'm just asking you. If you could leave the premises.
No.
I would have to call the police.
No, you don't have to, man. You're gonna make that crybaby choice to call the police because you're a coward and you're afraid of a camera. When you guys got cameras all over this facility, about 7 or 8 that I've already documented in the front alone. Okay, so you already got security pointing at me. The fact that I'm holding it in my hand is no difference from you filming me on the street. So go away. Go away. Go away. I don't care what you ask, man. Go away.
I asked you nicely.
Go away. I don't care about your niceness, man. I'm not a high nun, dude. You don't gotta be nice to me. Go away.
I came here and asked you nicely to leave the premises.
You don't have to ask me anything, and I'm gonna say to fuck off, man, because I don't have to listen to anything you have to say.
That's fine.
You want to call the cops and be a coward about that? Then go ahead, man.
Okay.
You go ahead and do that.
Right.
You make yourself. You're gonna look shameful after that because what they're gonna tell you is that you gotta leave me alone until I've broken the law.
All right, sir. Have a good day.
No, you have a good day, man.
Thank you.
Enjoy it.
Calling the cop.
You're what?
Calling the cop.
I can't hear you. I got earplugs in.
Take him off.
Okay, what did you say?
You can't take picture of the place. You have no right.
Oh, why not? I didn't know that.
Okay, well now you know.
Is that against the law?
It is against the law.
What's the law?
Don't worry about it.
What law is it? Yeah, hey, the door's not big enough for you. You guys are a bunch of crybabies. A bunch of crybabies. Wow. All right, so lo and behold, we got a guard shack over here for the back parking lot. And this guy wants to come out and tell me that I can't film out here. Well, we're about to prove him wrong. He's about to get a rude awakening. What'd you say?
No, I didn't say anything, sir. Can you just not be recording the premises?
Oh, we're here to record the premises. You guys are under investigation.
There's vehicles coming in and out, sir.
There's no vehicles, man. They must be ghosts. Deuces. What happened, man?
Sir, can you please move out of there? It's a safety hazard. Vehicles are coming in and out.
Oh, they're coming from this way.
They're gonna exit too, sir.
Yeah, when they exit, I mean, I move.
Are you the pedestrian police or what, man?
So I'm just a security guard.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean you gotta tell people what to
I'm
do.
just asking nicely, sir.
Yeah, but if there's a car coming out, then I'm sure he'll be, you know,
I move.
he's been on this earth a while, man. I'm sure he'll move out of the way of a car.
It's a safety hazard. Okay, you're welcome.
People should be safe drivers, though. You know, if they see a pedestrian, they should slow down and even stop and let the people pass through.
Yeah, just in case.
You know, even the horn, you know, that's what the horn is for. Like, hey, you're in my way, you know? And then people will move out the way.
Right.
Right? Common sense, huh?
What's the purpose for this videotaping, by the way? If you don't mind me asking.
Oh, we mind.
Has a big battery there.
Yeah.
How long does it last you?
I don't know, I haven't let it fully charge and it died on me because it only had like 2 bars, but I charged my phone like twice. He was tripping out because I told him that the company was under investigation and that's all he needed to know. So that's why he was asking, oh, what you guys filming? What's the filming about?
You are still tripping over there. He's in a hot room.
Hey man, did the cops tell you we're within our rights, or did they say they're on their way? Just as an FYI for us. Let's go ask them. Hey, did you end up making that call to the police, man? Did you end up calling the police? Oh, they're on their way?
Yes, they are.
Oh man, you're a respectful SOB, huh? He calls the cops on us and he still calls us sir. So that when we're on the floor in handcuffs, he's gonna be like, all right, sir, you guys have a good day. That's your attitude? Man, that sucks, man. You're scum. We're not on your premises, man.
And you're recording too, and I asked you.
It doesn't matter. You don't control what people do in public,
I'm not
man.
controlling anybody, so.
You're trying to.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you're trying to stop us. You're trying to stop us from doing what we're doing. We're out here filming and taking photos. You're trying to stop us from doing that. You know there's a law against stopping people from doing stuff in public, right? You know that there's a law, right? Let me help you out here, man. It's called the Bain Act. Look it up on your phone. B-A-N-E. The Bain Act. Look it up.
Starts with the tongue too.
Hey, look it up, man. Educate yourself so you don't violate people's rights and you won't get sued. You know, you're over here violating people's rights and you don't even know it. You're a security guard. You should know more about the law, man. You should know more about the law if you're going to be telling people what to do. And he made the call to the police.
Man, for real.
Yeah, that's shameful, man. Shameful.
Yeah. It's one of those. Yeah.
Crazy, huh? Yes sir, no sir, but the cops are on their way. Alright guys, so here at Senior Aerospace SSP, the security guard wants to come out, give directives. You guys are breaking the law, telling us we're breaking the law. Then he wants to turn into Mr. Nice Guy, talking about please don't do this, yes sir, and yeah, this and that. But he also said the cops are on their way, so he's a double standard coward if you ask me. Hey man, stop being a crybaby. You did that when you were a newborn. Pinche llorón.
Cry, baby.
Alright guys, so we got Burbank police out here. And so Senior Aerospace SSP has definitely made the credit call to the police. I'm about to find out what the Burbank police has to say, which is probably going to be nothing at all. It's just how it is around here. Free education by the Burbank Police Department.
Probably gonna go to the back, huh?
All free.
I don't think so. They would have told us something. If they were going to go investigate, they would have told us we're detained so they can go investigate.
Because I heard bad things about
Trespass.
Burbank PD.
You know, huh?
I heard bad things about Burbank PD.
Yeah, we could hit
They
the.
even have a dash cam too, bro. If I'm not mistaken, that is a dash cam.
There it is, guys. Burbank rolled in, they educated, and now they're rolling out without incident.
Oh, camera.
Why are you wearing your glasses?
No, but really, it is when you want to take photos from someone, you
When you want to wear your glasses, you just put them on, man. When you want to use your camera, you just use it. You don't ask anybody permission.
do you
Right? Have a good one, man. All right.